Getting your computer repaired can be somewhat mysterious. You hand your device off to some rando, you have no idea when it's going to get back to you, and you also have no idea what the bill is going to be when you do get it back. This video is about dispelling some of the mystery. When I fix your computer, it's not so mysterious. It's pretty straightforward. But in this video, I'll tell you how it works. I'm Ryan Bott. I'm a certified computer tech and I love fixing computers. First, let me tell you what I do and don't fix so I don't waste your time. I fix PCs and Macs, whether they're laptops or desktops, whether it's a software issue or a hardware issue. What I don't fix is hardware issues with tablets, phones, and smartwatches. If you need that kind of stuff, just go to a cell phone repair place. They'll fix it up really quick. Next, let me just run through how the process works with me. So you will describe your problem to me in like a voicemail or text, and then I'll get back to you the next day and we'll discuss your options and we'll schedule a drop-off. For the drop-off, you'll drop the device off to my house. I live in Nuremberg, Pennsylvania. If that's really far away for you, you might want to take your computer somewhere else. After the drop-off, I will assess the situation and I will call you back with a plan and a detailed estimate. After I get the go-ahead, I will repair your computer. My typical turnaround time from once I get the laptop to when you get it back is usually like 3 to 7 days. After that, I will call you to let you know it's done, and we'll schedule a pickup where you will pick up the device from my house. As for payment, I accept cash, Venmo, and PayPal, so it's pretty flexible. Okay, so that's the basic rundown. Now, for any of you nerds who want to hear about less likely situations, I'll talk about those, but any normal person can just stop listening now. One of the situations that sometimes happens is once we're talking about your issue, I might just have a solution that I can give you over the phone and that you can do yourself. And so then, hooray, we're done. Your computer's already fixed. Another situation is where if I get the vibe when we're talking about your problem that it's going to be more expensive for me to fix your computer than for you to just buy a new one, I will just recommend that you buy a new computer. It's as easy as that. Another situation is this is very rare. This has only ever happened once. If for some reason I am completely baffled, I've looked at your computer and I still have no idea how to fix it. I just have a flat diagnostic fee of $50. So you pay that and you can have your device back. And I'm sorry, I just couldn't fix it. So that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.